in today's scenario, if you are applying for a sales profile, even if you want to go into digital marketing profile also, they conduct these rounds of this as one of the round is group discussion rounds, especially if you want to apply as a business development executive. Business development executive profiles are in there are a lot of openings under this particular profile in market as of now, and a lot of people, they take this group discussion as one of the rounds of interview. So moving ahead with it, so as all of you said that why group discussion, definitely it is basically to assess your personality, and in addition to this wonderful points that you have all raised, that is to it. And yes, of course, you are being judged in terms of your worthiness and also your appropriateness related to this particular profile. So these are the two areas where you are basically tested. So if I talk about your key observation areas, a lot of you have said your English is being tested. Some of you said that, our communication skills are being tested. Those two are one aspect, whereas they want to see how good are you in putting forth your point of views in terms of communication skills. How well aware are you regarding what's happening around you? How confident are you in putting up your point of views and sticking to it and justifying it? So this is what it is, because in today's corporate culture, it is very much important for each one of us that you should have your own point of views, and you should be able to stick to those point of views so that you're not influenced by what others are saying. Apart from this, your technical skills could improve with the experience that you're gathering in a job place, but your etiquettes in terms of your teamwork, how comfortable are you working in a team, how comfortable are you in taking up the criticism that you receive from the other side, your interpersonal skills are basically getting tested. If I say in today's market, soft skills plays the utmost important role, and that is why all top companies, if I talk about Cognizant, if I talk about Wipro and all of it, who go for various rounds of placements, they conduct group discussion as one of the round. Then comes the technical round, and then comes the personal interview round. So even you go ahead with the technical round, they first want to see what sort of body language do you have, what sort of confidence do you have, and also your speaking skills, your fluency, your confidence, and also the presentation, your body language, and the points that you're keeping up, the structured form, the way you are talking is what is basically evaluated. So please do not stick to it. Keep on going for a group discussion. I should only focus upon the topic and I should raise points. There are a lot of other areas in which you are basically being judged. I'm repeating the word, you are actually getting judged in a group discussion.